He's weak.
Do you hear that? Be real quiet. It was my last fuck I had to give.
Top window.
Yo, one above you. One above you. Run it out and go a zig or B. You could run to go B. Got that.
With the back row swing, whole pose rattling. When I hit that thing, I don't give a damn what you say online. Have y'all tough till it's face to face time. While I stack my green, I don't give a fuck what you think about me. Boy, Korean type fast, but your trucker gon' block. Got opinions loud as a pump shot lock. Everybody know that one dude in town, head bobbing hard with the business around, talks